I am so excited to get to New York and see this show. Are you ready for your flight?
I am. I got my Breeze card. It's already loaded.
Your Breeze card? You can take in MARTA? Why don't you drive?
You want to get out there in all that traffic?
You do what you want. I'm gonna drive.
You want to see who gets there first?
You're on. What's the holdup? Rain, are you kidding me?
The next station is airport.
I wonder how Bill's doing out there.
You gotta be kidding me, you gotta be kidding me! She still can't possibly get there ahead of me though, can she?
Exit here for Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport.
Printing ticket, please wait.
That's all I've been doing.
Remove ticket.
Finally a parking space. No, you saw me waiting for that!
Where have you been?
Closest parking space was it was so far.
Bill. And you still think driving a car to the airport is the better idea?
All right, fine. Do you have another one of those Breeze cards?
I know, but I tell you what, I'll show you how to get your own. Come on.